probably about halfway up the west coast now. We've had all those dramas with the tinny and everything settled down, and we're cruising and we're heading for a little Aboriginal town, Kowanyama, and pretty excited to go and do something a bit different and get off the boat for a while.
The thing with the west coast of Cape York, fuel is very scarce. Like, there's not a service station where you just pull up and fuel your boat up. So we've organised it with the guys, the community called Kowanyama. Now, lockdown has lifted because we actually had to wait at the river mouth for a few days. Oh yeah, perfect, look at that. The boys come down with the ute. They've got a couple of 44s in the back. That'll give us about roughly 400 litres of unleaded. So we'll get that into the boat. 1 litre, 2 litre, about 1 wine a litre, isn't it? 200 wines, 200 litres.
Minutes you get sick with that arm and then use the other one. And then you get sick of that and give it to your mate to have a crack.
Yeah. So you boys been isolated a little bit, eh?
Yeah, we were.
Yeah, the rain. Has it been good wet?
Yeah, it's been, oh, we had a lot of water.
Yeah, excellent.
Better than last year. Yeah.
Better than last year?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, always good wet always brings some good country then, eh?
Yeah, that's it.
This is going to take ages to fuel up like this with this little crank handle. Local guys are catching mud crabs off to fuel it up.
You got him?
Right here.
Oh, that's a good fella, that one.
He is a stoinker.
The problem with you know, remote location is fuel, and you really got to be onto that. So the calculations that I've got in my head, this fuel should get us further north. But anyway, we'll have a chat to these boys, and look, they're local boys. They know what's going on. I've never been to Kowanyama before, and I'd really like to go and explore this place.
Pretty good fishing too the last couple of weeks.
Back in the bank.
I've got to meet a Jew just down there.
Now that we've fueled up the boat, we can go set up camp at the river mouth, because this time of the year, on the west coast of Cape York, it's not only stifling hot, but there's also bugs from hell. So the river mouth seems to be the best spot, nice location, sun's going down. It's time for a cold beer, there's no doubt about that.
Hold it now, push the boat out a little bit, eh?
And we're going to catch up with locals tomorrow, so pretty excited to see what goes on around here. Bloody beautiful, look at that. The monster from the deep.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, buddy.
How's it going, guys?
Good, thanks. How are you?
There you go. Yeah, no, we're good.
Oh, it's not tied off. Lucky the other end is.
You untied it. How you going, Jace?
Good, that. Monty Gilbert.
Monty, how you going, mate? Yeah, Fitzroy, how you going, buddy?
Pleased to meet you. Yeah.
Hey, we're here. We finally made it.
It's good. Everyone was waiting to see, waiting for you to come up.
Fitzroy was helping us yesterday with the refueling and stuff, and we got that sorted.
Yeah. Oh, well, that's good.
Yeah.
What I like to do is I like to welcome you guys here at Kowanyama on behalf of the 4 traditional clan group, the Kokobera, the Kokomajana, and the Kunjin, and the Yoron people.
Awesome.
So we welcome you to Kowanyama and invite you to visit the community to get everyone was excited to see you all come up here and all the kids here, because everyone watches the show every year.
We're excited too. This is our first time to Kowanyama.
Yeah, it is our first time.
Yeah, we're excited to all meet you guys. Yeah.
No, that's awesome.
First
That's
of
cool.
all, I'd like to just do a bit of welcome customary, like wet your head, bless your head.
What happens when we go to these remote indigenous communities, they're really keen to welcome us to their country. And a lot of the time we use what's called a smoke ceremony, and it's the smoke ceremony that is very common. These guys are what's classed as the saltwater people. So what better way to use water rather than smoke to welcome us to country? So use the water.
Yeah, we use the water.
That's a first for us.
Yeah, we just get a bit of water from the creek, and
Kowanyama, in indigenous terms, is place of many waters, so it's pretty fitting that we're going to be welcome to country with some water.
It's good because it's a bit warm this morning.
So, if you just take your hat off, and I'll just pour a bit of water on your head and blow your head. Yeah. Welcome to country.
Thank you.
Welcome to country.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sweet. What do you reckon? Let's go and show, look at this town here.
We got the quad bike. Is it all right we take the quad bike in town as well and we'll follow you?
Yeah, you follow. Yep.
Yeah.
No worries.
Let's go into town.
There's a stingray there.